Here's a phone that my colleague gave to me to fix. His battery wasn't lasting too long, so I said that I would put in a new replacement battery if he bought it. So that's what he did. The little kit, it comes out with a couple of the tools, but one of the things it doesn't come with is like a razor blade or something that you can pry up. It has a little suction cup and the little guitar picks, but you really need to have something really thin so that you can get underneath the screen at the bottom after removing the two penelope screws. And then you can use your finger to go around the outside. Sometimes I saw that you can use some heat, but I prefer actually not to use heat, just slowly prying up and going around the outside with either your fingernail or the pick or some playing cards. Being careful not to go too deep because there are some cables on the right hand side because it opens up like a book. So I've been repairing things for quite a few years now, and after repairing you get these tips and tricks. So it's a useful trick. Sometimes when you're taking apart things, you get new ideas as well, because some of these screwdrivers, if they're not magnetized, you can actually use other magnet to magnetize the tip. You really actually need to have some tweezers to get this off, but unfortunately I moved, so I didn't have any of the equipment. I just used what the little kit gave me, so I was able to move that off. But having a pair of tweezers would be nice so that you can just take it off easier. So I'm just prying it up, and they have this little plastic plunger thing, and I just went underneath to get rid of the tape there. And sometimes you can pull out the little sticky stuff, but I found that just prying the battery up and off is a little bit faster. Just make sure that the battery is not charged, fully charged, and then you can do that. So here's the replacement battery. Usually I just let him get the replacement and I put it in, but they're usually pretty good. You can buy them on Amazon or what have you, and then it just clicks in like that, and then you just reassemble it. So replacing a battery is not actually too difficult. It's one of the easier repairs, and you can see that the battery's there and it should give you more life. So if you are into electronics and want to repair things, you can consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. So hopefully this has fixed your problem. If it has, give a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, I am an author as well on Amazon. So if you want to support the channel, you can go to amazon.com or .ca and type in my name. It's Benjamin Newson, and I've just recently published a couple books. My very first novel is called Heart of Stone. It's an interesting story about the end times, and this guy's having dreams, and then his dreams become real in a science fiction novel. I also have other book called Unlocking Your Mind, about memory tricks for studying techniques, as I'm a teacher, so several years there. And Over the Great Wall, I've written about my life experiences 7 years abroad in China. So have a good day, and I'll see you in the next repair video.